Hey HBF Church family, it's Brian here, getting ready to go in and teach Experiencing Christmas. And just wanted to send out a shout tonight. I know some of you will be getting ready for Thanksgiving, and some will be traveling, and you'll be going here and there. Just wanted to wish y'all a very happy Thanksgiving. It's one of the greatest holidays that we have in the United States, and I'm so thankful that we pause to give God thanks and just enter into His courts with thanksgiving and praise. I pray that you have a great time with your family, your friends, your church family, and just enjoy Jesus this coming week. And just want to throw you a reminder out too that this coming Sunday we'll be celebrating the Lord's Supper. So Sunday morning we'll be preparing our heart for the church body. We'll be looking at one another, loving each other, preparing our heart for the Lord's Supper, which you will take at the beginning of the service on Sunday night. Sunday night we'll have a special guest speaker. After we take the Lord's Supper, Jim Mell will be encouraging us in our heart for the world. He's going to be sharing an update on some special projects that we've helped contribute to in his sphere of influence. So we're very excited about that. Just looking forward to seeing you guys. Hope you have a great time. Be careful traveling in the weather, and just continue to love God and love people. And we'll look forward to seeing you soon. God bless you real good.